Hey guys, what's up? I got Patriana here with Pat's Second Review, and on today's video, I just want to introduce you guys to Estee Lauder. This is the Advanced Night Repair Overnight Treatment Nighttime Moisturizers. Never want to dip your finger in there. Always use a spatula. I'm gonna use a Q-tip to show you guys how it looks like. Well, it feels like a silky cocoon on your face. And as always, guys, whatever you put on your face, go all the way down to the chest. Upon application, it just dries down so quickly. Key ingredients here: peptide that support the skin natural nighttime renewal process, multi-molecular weight hyaluronic acids, also polyglutamic acid that provide intense moisture recovery, and 13% lipid infusion to strengthen the skin barrier. So this baby here is loaded with active that help repair your skin, give that nice, insane hydration, help to reduce the appearance of lines. They have all this new beauty brands now, but sometimes sticking with the OGs, tried and tested. And the whole advanced repair line is just so good. Alright guys, I'm definitely going to be recommending this baby here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.